This smaller bore gives 6 points of contact on the workpiece for better grip and concentricity. Remove the loading pin and use steel wool for aluminum or Beartex for steel to smooth out any minute burrs. If you bored the jaws over size, then start over using the next size smaller loading pin. Don't forget to remove the loading pin. If you do, the chuck will appear to be holding the part, but when you start machining, the piece will slip. The internal chucking procedure is slightly different. The jaws are mounted the same, except instead of a loading pin, a loading ring is used. This is not a standard item and must be specially ordered. Instead of closing the jaws on the loading pin, during mounting, the jaws are opened into the loading ring. Rough turn and face the jaws to approximately 5/1000ths of an inch larger than the largest hole in the workpieces to be chucked. Undercut the inside corners. Deburr as before. Then finish turn and face to approximately 2/10,000ths to 1/1000th over the largest hole to again give the 6-point holding. Now you'll change the top jaws. The purpose of this procedure is to ensure the top jaws are removed straight up from the chuck face without scoring or marking the chuck face and the top jaw holes. To do this, first loosen and remove the 6 Allen head cap screws in the top jaws with the T-wrench supplied. Now, place the knurled brass end of the wrench into the screw hole and wiggle from center to OD, not from side to side. Pull until the jaw is free. Be careful not to let the jaw touch the chuck face. Carefully store the jaws in a safe place for future use. To remove the chuck from your machine, first ensure it's in the open position. Then, remove the air tube. To do this, shut the air off and loosen the set screw in the split bushing. Do not remove it. Holding the knurled knob, unscrew the air tube and slide the whole assembly out. The locking split bushing assembly can slide off the tube, so be careful not to lose it. Carefully store the tube in a safe place where it won't be bent. Then, with the chuck firmly supported, remove the 6 Allen cap head mounting screws. The chuck will be off. Your chuck is heavy and can be easily dropped, which would ruin it. Store the chuck and all its parts in a dry, safe place. Please use care when handling this chuck. Specially engineered top jaws are available for your complex work-holding applications. They can be designed and manufactured through the Northfield engineering staff. These jaws can be case-hardened or air-hardening tool steel to resist wear on long runs, or Delron plastic for sensitive parts, and many other materials to meet your special machining needs. Remember, at all times, if gauge block accuracy is expected, you must handle all workpieces and top jaw surfaces with utmost cleanliness. For important additional information regarding maintenance and lubrication, please refer to the operating instructions received with your unit.